आप सभी का स्वागत है आकर्षिता वाइब्स पे। और आप सबको मैं हाई कर रही हूँ इन्फो पार्क से, इन्फो पार्क के बैटरी रिक्शा में बैठकर। सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, लाइक इन्फो पार्क इज़ हैविंग दिस फैसिलिटी ऑफ बैटरी रिक्शा और ई रिक्शा, you can say. By the way, in Hindi it is called as some other word. I am not going to tell you that one. So those who know in Hindi what this rickshaw is called as, please comment over here. So this is Chai Hut. This is very famous within the Infopark techies. So whenever they are tired of their work and they do not like their office coffees, they come over here to have a very good time. And even there is a Infopark confessions page, something like that, where people whoever see each other randomly, they confess their love or their attraction or might be their crushes on that page. So I have seen it once, so I was like very shocked. People were writing Chai Hut over there. So that was the first time when I got to know, oh, this is Chai Hut. By the way, this rickshaw goes via these ways, so that's why I am like going via these ways. Otherwise I never come to Chai Hut and all. I'm always inside the office, so I'm a office B. And this is IBS software. Like, this is a new building within Info Park. So why I am telling you is because there are new buildings, like Air India has also came to Info Park now. So all the companies are here now. And now I have reached to my favorite place, Thrissur. So as this is weekend, so weekend means like a relaxation day. So today I came for a relaxation. I am in Kurkancheri, which comes under Thrissur district. So the people who are from Kurkancheri of Thrissur, do comment over here. We are at She's Only Beauty Lounge, and now we are going to have a retreat kind of a thing. And this is something which I have participated a week ago. The name is She Face, and it is like they have selected 50 faces, and out of them, like 50 contestants were there, out of which 8 people have applied. So not applied, it's something like 8 people have been selected. So that is, I'm one of them, and let's see what are the perks I'm going to get out of it. So currently I'm here at She Zone Beauty Lounge, which is one of my favorite. Like from last 2 years I'm coming over here, and let's go for the first round. जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे बहुत सालों से, उन्हें पता होगा कि मैं मेकअप में कितनी बुरी लगती हूँ. सो एक्चुअली मैं अपने फेस पे ये सब ट्राई नहीं करती हूँ, बट टुडे इवेंचुअली आई एम ट्राइंग. आई जनरली लाइक आई एम वेरी मच स्केयर्ड ऑफ डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट विद माई स्किन, एंड नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम वेरी मच स्केयर्ड, बट द एनवायरमेंट ओवर हियर इज क्वाइट लाइक relaxing and so much peaceful. So that's why I'm feeling little bit okay now. It's all about spa and massage, and so many things are here. So one of the thing is there for nails. I have never done it before, and I do not know what it takes to go. And see, there are numerous nail paints which you can try over your nails. So those people who are really interested in manicure and getting the nails done in the nicest way, they can actually apply for it. I have never done it, so I do not know what does it feels like after doing your nails done. The first thing which is going to be done is my hair, because they are so sticky and the quality of hair is not that actually good like Malayalis. So the first thing which we are going to do is the head wash. So let's go for it. It's like a good treatment for me. पार्लर्स में जो सबसे ज़्यादा रिलैक्सिंग बात होती है वो ये होती है कि आपका हेयर वॉश भी कोई और कर रहा है, नेल पेंट भी कोई और कर रहा है, तो आपको एक बड़ा क्वीन टाइप का वो लगता है एक्सपीरियंस. तो मुझे भी अभी ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है, बिकॉज आई जनरली डू नॉट डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, एंड वेन एवर इट इज़ डन आई एम लाइक सो happy. So that's what I'm liking about this, that I'm feeling so much relaxed here, as someone is washing my head, someone is doing my nail paint. So all these things is like I'm feeling like a queen right now. तो अब मेरी नेचुरल स्किन कन्वर्ट होने वाली है मेकअप में, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया आई हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन वन कॉम्पिटिशन. तो बहुत सारे फेसेस थे जिसमें से 8 लोगों को सेलेक्ट किया गया है, एंड आई एम वन ऑफ देम. तो मेरा मेकओवर होने जा रहा है. मैंने कभी अपने आप को प्रॉपरली अच्छे मेकओवर में नहीं देखा है. आई हैव सीन माई सेल्फ इन दिस डल वे. सो लेट्स सी कैसा होता है, और आप भी मुझे बताइएगा आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. अच्छा, मेरा एक बिलीफ यहाँ आके चेंज हुआ दैट जो लड़कियाँ मेकअप कराती हैं, मुझे पहले ऐसा लगता था कि ये हीरोइनों की लाइफ अच्छी है, वो हीरोइंस जो मतलब चेयर पे बैठ के मेकअप वेकअप कराती हैं, स्क्रीन के आगे आती हैं. बट द रियलिटी इज़ इट इज़ सो टायरिंग. लाइक आई एम सिटिंग ओवर हियर, एंड इवन लाइक आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, ओनली सिटिंग. But it's like you have to spend a good time, and you have to be peaceful and calm, because you have to believe on what they are doing with you. So basically I am very lame in this, so there is nothing bothering me. They are much experts and they are doing very best thing on myself. and the thing is like they're using very good products also, so here I'm feeling very much safe. But yeah, girls, do not go to any random place like that, because they might use any kind of product. And nowadays one more thing is going on, like free kind of tattoos and all, recently I have seen. So please do not do such things, because they are using the same needle for different people. There are like cases of HIVs and all, like this is how issues are spreading. So that's why it's better to go to a very good place which is like very clean and the people are so much professional. So here the people who are doing my makeup are very much professional, like they are having very much good experience in all of this, so they know what is right and what is wrong for your skin. So that's how like you should go to places where they are very much experienced. Anyway, this is like a compliment for me, so I am just enjoying the vibe. But yeah, telling you the reality, it's not that easy to sit for hours on a place and get your makeup done. So I really salute to the people or the celebrities or might be the influencers who are getting like this makeup and all every day. So this is like very much hard, it's not easy. Okay, so the boys who are really watching this, you should know that girls like to get this princess treatment, even I am loving it, but the reality is this is not that easy. Okay, so do not. So as I participated in a competition, so that's why I have to give my review over it. So anyway, the makeup has not been properly started, but in between I have to give a kind of an interview of like what I'm doing and what is going to happen with me. So that's what I'm getting ready for. So this mic and all is inserted, but this video is not mine. This video is being made for the like you can say like the launch people. So as like they have put a competition, and in that I've participated and I was selected, so it's for that. Hello all, my name is Akarshita and I have participated in She Face competition. Out of 15 faces I got selected, like 8 people were selected and I'm one of them. I'm so excited to see how it's going to be a turn on my skin. Oh, just one more, I think some sentence is wrong. Just one more. Hello all, my name is Akarshita and I have participated in She Face competition, in which out of 50 faces, 8 faces are being selected and luckily I am one of them. So today they are going to do some makeover on my face. Let's see how it's going to be. Take it that much easy. Girls are like really going through a lot to look so good. So appreciate that, and whenever you see a girl who is really beautiful, please give them some kind of compliments. They really love it. So now finally my makeup has been started, and you can see like my eyes makeup has been done, and you can see like the blending of the things have been done so well. I have never seen my eyes like this before. My entire skin issues, suddenly my face looks so much contoured. You can see like I have a double chin which is already like gone. It's the power of makeup, see? Not still like it's not complete, but I could see the differences. Now I understand how I used to think like why girls look so beautiful. This is the reason. I'm amazed with the contouring thing, no? Just see this. It's coming so good. So as you can see, like makeup has hidden all my issues of the face. Even I have some pimples and all that is not very much clearly visible. So I think after doing the makeup, people gets confidence, and for that reason only they go for it every day. But I would say like do not do it every day. Our real skin, whatever it is, it's okay, let's accept it, because I am much comfortable in my real skin. but yeah, the power of makeup is really good. You can try at times because yeah, for sure it gives you confidence. Like you can see now I'm feeling so good. So now my makeup is almost done, and now she's applying makeup fixer so that makeup is not getting removed very easily due to sweat, rain and different kind of weather condition. It goes off. So anyway, she has used so much good brands, so that's why it won't go that easily. But just to sustain it in the heat also, they use this makeup fixer. Anyway, I'm not doing a promotion of it, so I'm just telling you so that the people who are just like me, who do not know anything about makeup and all, you are going to have a good knowledge in this video, and you have to thank me later in this video. So please comment over here if you really got to know so many facts about makeup. Anyway, I am also new in this, so even I am just loving all this treatment and all. This is a good princess treatment for me, and I'm amazed to see like how it looks now. As you can see now, makeup has been properly done and I'm loving it. This is my whole look done by Sheezone Beauty Launch, and you might think it's a paid promotion, but it is really not because I rarely go for makeups and all. But yeah, I kind of liked it. Like you can see the face, I am even coming in front of the sunlight. This is not looking over as far as I could understand. Like you can see over here, yeah, it's quite good. Actually, I thought like I will look so disastrous in makeup, but I don't think so. I'm looking disastrous just because it is blending with my skin, so I'm kind of liking it, and this is what I personally like it. And this is Sheezone Beauty Launch. It is in Kurkancheri, and the Kurkancheri is in Thrissur. So as every week I come to Thrissur, so I have come here for this makeup, and here's the staff. So if you are planning to come over here, you can come here and get their service. They are very best in spas and your nail thing also. So get it done via them. So if you do like this look, please do let me know and comment over here. And people, those who are from Thrissur and Kurkancheri, please comment over here so that I will get to know that who all are watching my video. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.